If you have a thought while you're reading and you don't want to add a whole note, you can now, in our Search Diligently tool, add a quick thought through something that we call Tooltips. It's a new update and allow you to very easily to have a quick thought or reminder or a definition of something that you want to record very quickly without the necessity of adding a whole note. And let me show you how they look like. For example, if I hover on this word here, burden, this is in Isaiah 13, you see that I added here that the Hebrew word is nasa, which means to carry, to bear, and other translations use the word oracle, but the Hebrew idiom is burden, because it meant to put pressure on the people to take an action. So this will allow you to easily see a thought. You can use this in any way you want to, and to add them, they're very simple. Just go and hover, select one word, and you can select up to 3 words. So more than 3 it won't work, but if I do 1 or 3, 2 or 3, then you see this little icon at the bottom. You hover on that, you see that this is a tooltip. If you click on it, you see this little box opening, and I can just enter. For example, the character limit is 150 characters. That way we keep it light, but also if it's the purpose of doing quick thoughts, more than 150 words, then it becomes maybe do a note. But if you want to do anything below that, just a quick impression, you can just go here and type it out. So if I put OK, now under this word multitude that I just hover, I can add this, I can have this quick reference. So that way I can just hover on it, and then you'll see the tooltip displaying. If I click on it, then the tooltip stays there. If I click right and then hover over, I can edit them. So I can delete them if I don't want to. So you can also highlight this again and now style it so you want to remember better. And I can maybe color code this. Let's do magenta type of color, green. That way, you have a layer of a tooltip versus a color. Of course, you still have your notes that you can make. But a note, as you can see here, can be something more in detail, something you're writing, more like a longer impression, an expansion on an unfolding of an impression. But if you want to sometimes just quickly read and always impressions come to your mind, tooltips can be perfect for that. So then you have a quick reminder, and then you can expand those in notes and so forth. So this update right now is available for everyone. Again, you can have a free account. Just go to, let me pull it up, searchdiligently.net/join. You can set up a free account and start just taking your scripture study to the next level. Thank you.